Hello friends, you are welcome to Kumat Mathematics class. Today we are with a new video for you. If you like our channel, please subscribe it and also please click on the bell button for the new updates. Now let us enter into the problem. The problem is point S is the point with the greatest y coordinate on the semicircle shown above. Here is the coordinate S. We have to be very much careful with this. The coordinate is 1.5 comma 4. That means y coordinate. This 1.5 comma 4 means the y part and x part we have to see here. Sorry, it's not very good. This part is 1.5 and the y part is how much? 4. This part is 4. But it is the word here, you need to be careful with the word greatest y coordinate. The greatest y coordinate means that the from it is a semicircle. See, semicircle. That means the greatest means it is the radius of the circle. So radius of the circle is 4. That means from here to here r also we have how much total. It is also a radius from this point. This is the center of the circle, and so let us say that it is a. Then AS is also a radius and AR is also a radius, both equals to 4. Now from the origin, if we see from origin to R, the R lies on second quadrant. R lies on second quadrant. In second quadrant, what happened? The X coordinate is negative. Negative. So now O to A. O to A is how much? We need to see from this. O to A is 1.5. O to A is 1.5. So we know that. Now we have to find the coordinate of R. So OR equals to how much? OR equals to, we can write OR equals to AR minus OA. So AR is 4 minus OA is 1.5. So the result is 2.5. But none of the answers are positive. Now don't get confused here. 2.5 in second quadrant, it is a negative value. So our answer or the coordinate of x coordinate of the point R is minus 2.5. The answer is in the option. Where is the option? Option E. So option E is our correct answer. Now let us go to the next problem. Now the question is, the graph of quadratic function and the graph of linear function in xy plane can intersect in at most how many points? First of all, the quadratic function. Quadratic function is fx equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic function. So now the linear function is, linear function means y equal to mx plus c. That means it is a straight line. It is the parabola, or let us say curve. If we plot in a let us choose a possible way. In the origin, we know that this is the quadratic function and this is the linear function, and the graph of xy plane can intersect at most. At most means the maximum. Maximum how many points? If it is a tangent to the vertex here, then the point may be 1. But if we see in this point only for the parabola, this is the y-axis only. So 1.2 point maximum. There is no any other alternate for that. So in case of quadratic function and the linear functions in a xy plane can intersect at most in how many points? 2 points. So this is our correct answer. Now for the next problem. Now next question is, if the length LM is 7, let us see here, let us consider that LM is 7 and M, let us see in a triangle, let us remember in a triangle, let us think in this way, L, M, N. So LM is 7, MN is 8, then which of the following could be, please be careful with the word could be, the length of ln, this could be what? So we need to know that in any triangle or in any line here, if this is a straight line, then we can write here L, this is M, this is the point N. So LM is 7, MN is 8. So what is ln? If in this condition ln should be 7 plus 8, that is 15. This is the optimum value of ln. But in case of other triangle and other thing, it should be less. This should be less than or equal to 15. It cannot be more than 15. And in our option, this should be the fact that you need to know in this type of problem. So 7 plus 8 is 15, and in our option, less than or equal to 15 is only the number 14. So our correct answer is 14. So this type of problem may gives you some confusion. So please keep this information in your mind during the time of examination also. Now next problem is, if a and b are positive integers and 9 into 3a equals to 3 to the power b. What is a in terms of b? A in terms of b means, let us express 9 in terms of 3. 3 square into 3a equals to 3 to the power b. So when the base are same, the index will be added. So 3 to the power a plus 2 equals to 3 to the power b. This implies us a plus 2 equals to b. But what we are asked to find is, what is a in terms of b? A in terms of b means we have to express a equals to b minus 2. A is expressed in terms of b. Now let us find the same a equals to b minus 2 in our option. That is option A is our correct answer. Now let us go to the next problem. Now here in this problem, the tin can in the figure above is a cylinder that is 8 inches high. The total height of the cylinder, this is 8 inches. This is total 8 inches. And the base of the cylinder is 3 inches. The base is 3 inches and the height is total 8 inches. Now we need to find here 5 different pencils with lengths are given. 6 inches is given. The 6 inch is given, and what happened here? So here in this problem, so 5 different pencils are provided. 5 out of 5 we need to remember. 5 means 1 is 6 inch in length. 5 is 6 inch. Next one is 8.5 inch. 8.5 means, and 9 inch, and 10.5, 10.5, and finally the last one is 12 inch long. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils are kept inside this tin can. Now question has asked us, how many cannot, please remember the word cannot, fit entirely inside the can. That means if we keep them just vertically up and down, only 8 inches can be inside. But here when we put inside in this, then the pencil can be tilted in this direction also. Yes. Now if we see here, what should be the maximum this? length of the pencil that can be inside the can is this. So if we see this part, what we see here, this will be the base and this will be the height or perpendicular and this will be the hypotenuse. So let us use Pythagoras theorem among, and if this is 3 then diameter will be 6 inch. So let us find the hypotenuse, that is from Pythagoras theorem h square equal to p square plus b square. What we get, h equals to p is how much, 8 square, b is how much, 6 square, this gives us 100. So when h square equals to 100 implies h equal to how much, 10. So the hypotenuse means the maximum this slanting height or like hypotenuse should be of 10 inch. That means how many pencils, that one vertically just 6 inch can be here, it will be inside, then 8.5 also can be there, 9 also means third pencil also, but fourth pencil total length is 10.5. If it's slantingly, if we keep it inside the can also, the 0.5 inch will be outside. So this pencil 4 and pencil 5 cannot be inside the can. So total out of 5, 3 will be inside and 2 will be outside. So the question asks how many cannot fit entirely inside the can, means entirely 4th and 5th, that means 10.5 and 12 inch length pencil cannot fit, means 2, means B is our correct answer. Now let us see the next problem. When the number k is multiplied by 5, when the number k is multiplied by 5 means number is multiplied by 5, k is multiplied by 5 means 5k. The result is same as when 5 is added to k. Same means equal to. The result is 5 plus k. What is the value of 4k? So 5k minus k equals to 5. 5k minus k is 4k. 4k equals to 5. So what is the value of k? We see here, we get here that 4k is 5. So the value of 4k is how much? 5. The option E is our correct answer. Just simply we have to make mathematical expression for the given word problem. Simply we solve it, we will get the answer. So when the question is there, please read the question very much carefully until and unless you are not very clear with the question. If you do not get a clear picture on your mind, you cannot solve the problem. So please do not hesitate to read the question. Okay, now next problem is, if x and y are numbers such that x plus 9 into y minus 9 equal to 0, what is the smallest possible? Please do not skip any words from the question. There are the clue points, clue words that we need to be careful. Smallest possible value of x square plus y square. We have provided x plus 9 into y minus 9 equal to 0. So smallest possible we have to find. From these two, when the product of two number is 0, that means what? Either one of the can be 0, either x plus 9 equal to 0 or y minus 9 equal to 0. From this we get x equal to minus 9. From this second expression we get y equals to 9. So now see what is the value of smallest possible. If it is asked the maximum or the greatest possible, then minus 9 square plus 9 square will do. So when x is minus 9, if x value is minus 9 here, then y can be 0 also. There is no any problem. So smallest possible, if when x is minus 9, then y can be 0. So this can be 0, no problem. So that our expression becomes correct. So 9 9 is 81. If we choose from another way, if x is 0, then y can be 9. So in that case also, x square plus y square is again 81. But if we give them the both value, then 81 plus 81 is 162. But that is not smallest possible. So the smallest possible value of x square plus y square is 981. Then our correct answer is option D. Okay, friends. Now these are the problems that we solve it for today. Now here are some problems I have left them. So I'll be solving and uploading the problem tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So please keep watching the problem. Try to get the clear concept. Also, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, please, if you like the video, if you like this video, please share it so that your friends also can able to get the idea on the problems. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.